This is my review of the Stihl BGA 86 100 and 200 battery handheld blowers. Now, first of all, Stihl have asked me to do this review, but I'm not sponsored by Stihl or paid by Stihl. Now, the BGA 86 is my own machine, which I've had for over a year, and Stihl sent me the 100 and 200, which I had for probably a couple of months and have now returned to them. So we'll have a quick look at the machines. I'll give you a little bit of an overview and you'll see them in action and some of my thoughts. So first of all, we have the 86, which takes the AP battery. So you press forward, top handle down and press the trigger and away you go. It has a variable trigger and the blower comes in at 2.8 kilos, but then you've got to add your chosen battery weight as well. So as I said earlier, this 86 is my own blower, which I've used daily for over a year. I would say it's a really good little blower. Probably suits more small to medium gardens, but as a general day-to-day blower, I found it perfect. Be it clearing up after mowing or hedge cutting or general leaf clearing. And it is actually surprisingly powerful. Now, the power system for the other two blowers, I used the AR3000L with the carry system, like a backpack, or an AP battery in the holster. So here we have the BGA 100, and you simply connect your cable and press forward switch on, and you can cycle through 3 different power settings. You have a variable trigger, and once the trigger is fully depressed, the last little squeeze gives you boost. And this blower weighs in at 2.5 kilos. This BGA 100 I personally think would suit small, medium and large gardens. It's extremely controllable and on low power very quiet. It'd be great for open areas, but this would be the machine I probably would choose if I was doing apartment blocks or college campus, etc. Where it's very noise sensitive. It's again very powerful when you use boost as well, but very controllable. And here we have the BGA 200. To switch on, you simply press forward and you can cycle through 3 different power settings. You also have a cruise control just there, and to operate that you just press the trigger to your desired power and press that button and it will hold. Press again to release. This also has a boost, which is you press the trigger again, and that last little bit of resistance you press firmly and boost comes on. This blower weighs in at 3.2 kilos. It also has an optional extra of a comfort carry system which attaches to the backpack harness. So I think personally this blower is most suited, and probably most obviously because of its power, medium to large gardens or large areas, open areas. It's very, very powerful, and it would do smaller areas. Again, it's very controllable, but I think it would just be overkill. It's definitely in its element in large areas, moving quantities of material. I know one of the questions I'll be asked is run times, and in all honesty I can't accurately tell you. There's way too many variables: battery size, power setting, etc. The only thing I can say is I was pleasantly surprised how long they last. Now the machines themselves are actually more powerful than I expected, especially the 200. That's extremely powerful. They're very user friendly, obviously no fumes and low noise compared to the traditional two-stroke handheld blowers. They're very friendly to your local environment as well, as in your customers or local residents, etc. I've actively tried to find fault or anything that was a little bit niggly about them, and in all honesty I can't. So I hope that was of interest and help, and thank you for watching. Thank you.